Hi everyone, welcome back to Freelance with Jay, your home for practical tips on freelancing, online income, and using smart tools to earn better in 2026. I'm Jay. In the last video, we talked about why many Nigerian and African freelancers struggle to receive international payments. Today, we're moving from theory to practice. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to open a free USD bank account with Grey, even if you're a complete beginner. No shortcuts, no confusion, just a clear walkthrough you can follow on your own phone. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the rest of this series. So first, what exactly is Grey? Grey is a digital banking platform that allows freelancers in Nigeria and across Africa to create virtual foreign bank accounts, like USD, GBP, and EUR, without traveling or opening a physical bank account abroad. With Grey, you can receive payments from foreign clients, get paid from platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, convert foreign currency and withdraw to your local bank. It's designed to be simple, especially for beginners. This video is for you if you're a new freelancer in Nigeria or Africa. Clients keep asking you for a USD account. You've struggled with PayPal, Payoneer, or Wise. Or you just want a clean, professional way to receive international payments. If any of that sounds like you, keep watching. Let's start with step 1. Go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Grey. Download the app, it's completely free. I'll also leave my sign-up link in the description to make it easier. Once the app opens, tap on Create Account. Enter your email address, create a password, and verify your email with the code sent to you. Make sure you use an email you have access to. This is important for future notifications and security. Next is verification, also known as KYC. Grey will ask for your personal details, a valid ID like NIN, passport, or driver's license, a clear photo or selfie. Very important. Make sure the details you enter match your ID exactly. If your name or date of birth is different, verification can be delayed. Once submitted, verification usually takes a short time. After verification, you can now create your foreign account. Tap on Create Account, select USD, and your account details will be generated. You'll see a bank name, an account number, other details you can share with clients. This is the account you'll give to foreign clients or connect to freelance platforms. With this USD account, you can receive payments from international clients, get paid from Fiverr, Upwork, and similar platforms, look more professional and avoid payment delays. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to use this account to get paid, step by step. If you want to open a Grey account, you'll find my link in the description. In the next video, we'll connect this account to freelance platforms and show how to receive your first international payment. Don't miss it. That's it for today. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with another freelancer, and comment below if you get stuck during setup. I reply personally. I'm Jay, and this is Freelance with Jay, helping you earn smarter, step by step. See you in the next video.